Now other options, which are some advanced options, I think just click on this file, right click on that, you will have some options, advanced options there, but some may be useful to you according to your requirement. First is a copy, if you want to copy that clip. Second is a fade, that is also not useful. If you want to add animation anytime, add start, end or anti-clip, you can use that. Okay, animation like edge to center, from where the file is coming, like that. If you want to rotate the file, I think we will not use that. Layout, the layout is, let's say you have recorded your you have not used your default laptop camera webcam, you have used another external webcam or your mobile device, and if you want to add that file into this, so for that what you have to do, you have to import two files here. Okay, in this menu, this is one recording file and second is your mobile recorded, your speaking head file. You have to import that also. And let's say second file will be this above this track 1, that will in track 2, and you have to just right click it, and by using this option layout 1/4 size center, it will put your size in file in center. Okay, just Control Z, same procedure in every software. Layout you can put in the top right, top left, bottom. Okay, let's say you want to put your site in top right corner, just click 1/4 top right. So your track 2 file, which is your webcam output file or the camera output file, will be something like this. Okay, so this is one feature that they are providing, undoing by controlling Z. Now time also, you can, let's say sometimes you want to forward the text or you want to reduce the time, so you can fast forward, slow, freezing. Okay, if you want to stop at any point, these are the requirements if you need that. Like this, you can also separate the single clip or multiple audio. Okay, your video and audio, that will separate it. Size option is same like the razor tool option. If you keep left side will be keep the left side, and right side will be deleted, something like, let's say I want to remove this right side portion of this file. Okay, at the end, so just go there and place it there, right click here. On slice button, we want to keep left hand side portion, not right side, so keep left side, so right side will be deleted. Okay, so like this, I'm undoing it, Control Z. So these are some basic use of how can you edit the starting and end of the video lecture. Now you want to extract or extract this the final edited file from this open source to your computer. Just export it using this go to file menu. Okay, export project, we need video file, so click on this export video. Okay, one dialog box should be there, yes, like this. Just give the file name, let's say lecture. Okay, and from here you can browse, here we want to save the file, let's say I am as of now saving in desktop. Okay, so file will be saved in desktop. Profile, this is all format, we just all format, select the all format. By default setting, don't touch anything. Target file will be mp4 file, that is also fine, 720 pixel. Okay, you can select here, but that is also fine according to your site recording fine, it will take that. Quality we need high, just click on this export video. Okay, so it will take time according to your length of videos, and it will be exported in your given file location. Okay, this is how you can edit your video file at the start or end. I think you get that. If you want to explore more features for this open source video to edit your video more, like some themes are available, some background animations are also available, you can check this under this edit menu. Okay, you can also have this. So according to your requirement, you can play with that. This is what about open source. Thank you. Bye bye.